Container 36. Many companies are having now this talent retention issue because we have this war of invasion of Ukraine, so no one can have any more Russian officers. Then we have this new visa issue. For example, in Spain will have 100 million tourists this summer. We hope that means that this massification will make it harder to travel towards Spain, so these Indian and Filipino officers will have issues. We have many Moroccan, Algerian, according to Cyprus flag. We have many Latinos. If your ships go around Panama Canal, then you must change flag from European to Panama, Bermuda, Bahama, Marshall, Liberia. These flags are very friendly to these Latino countries. If you do not have a requirement of US visa, because a lot of ship owners, they put their own requirements within US visa, but if you don't have that, many managers are using Venezuelans. Why not? Venezuela is a country that is very close to Panama for the Panama Canal crossing, so you should contact us and we could really divide what countries you need to have US visa, what countries not. But this is very important today that ship owners realize that we are a big crew management company. Also, we have Casablanca office for all this Africa trade. These countries like America and Africa will grow, same as Asia. Yeah, Europe is going to continue as is. You see, we really got granted the best and the biggest country right in the middle, and then we put these politicians. So it is really even, isn't it? Yes. Therefore, it is not much opportunity to employ Europeans, but if you have issues regarding talent and long-term retention, contact us because we have the biggest database and we have no conflicts of interest because we are not ship managers. We are exclusively crew management company for your good container company long term, and we have solutions that no others will put because they have invested too much in this training center, too much in that training center, or they are members of this association and they need to get these grants from here or grants from there. No. We are just thinking long term, and for example, we mentioned if you don't need US visas, contact us. If you have ships around Africa, contact us. If you have really a software that is so expensive like MariApp and many others and you wish to use and separate the talent from the technical side, which is really the intelligent thing. I don't know why they mix this kind of oil and water. Well, if you really need to have this kind of separated, transparent ESG policies for the long term, contact us. We will have the fee for your 200 ships today. You can negotiate with me directly. Or if not, I'll see you within IMEC AGM tomorrow.